channel. So today I'm going to be doing some French toast strawberry roll-ups, and for this I'm going to be using some butter. Here I have some whole milk, white sugar, Philadelphia cream cheese. Now any type of cream cheese would do. Vanilla, cinnamon. Back here I have 6 slices of bread. I have my strawberries that I've cut up, diced, and here I have 2 eggs that I've beaten. Let's get right into the recipe. Now this is a very kid-friendly recipe. If you want your children to help you to make this as well, this would be a good opportunity for them to help you in the kitchen, especially now as they're home. So I'm going to start with 1 slice of bread. I'm going to take my roller. So I'm taking my roller. I'm pretty much just trying to flatten that slice of bread. Now some people take the crust out first, but I find I get more bread when I take it out after I have flattened the slice of bread. Okay, you can see how flat it is. This is perfect. Now I'm just going to be cutting out the edges. Now you can save them and have as breadcrumbs if you like to. I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of the slices, and I'll be right back. So next I'm going to be mixing in some sugar into my strawberry. So this is done. I'm going to place it to the side. Next I have my egg mixture, and I'm going in with my milk, followed by my vanilla and my cinnamon. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of sugar to here and mixing it all together. Okay, so we're going to start to put the rolls together. I'm going in with my cream cheese first. Just going to spread it. My cream cheese has been out of the fridge for just about an hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now it does not have to be a thick layer. Okay. Next I'm going in with my strawberry. I'm just doing a layer more towards the end. And then I'm going to roll. And it stays this side down. Do another one to show you. Okay, so I put in 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to start going in. So I'm going to be dipping this into here. drain out the excess and start adding it to the pan. And you want it to get brown on all sides. So they're done. I'm going to start removing them. Okay, and there they are. Okay guys, so this is the end product. My French toast roll-ups, strawberry filling. Be sure to check out the video, and thanks again for watching. Okay guys, so this is the end product. I just put in some powdered sugar on the top and garnished with some strawberries. So thanks again for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.